Are you frustrated by the mess of cable clutter like the one right here? Well, if you are, I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the MagTame Magnetic Cable. As the name suggests, this cable is versatile. It charges your devices, transfers data, and the standout feature is its magnetic capability. Say goodbye to messy cables like the one here. Instead, you get a neat and tidy setup every time. Simply guide the cable in the right direction, and it effortlessly snaps back together. Let's unbox it.
I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line, thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low. I'm not myself. I feel so low. I'm not myself. Was there something in the wind? Was it meant to be pulled apart from everything I knew, like golden lady?
I got two cables from MagTame, and these cables come in straightforward packing. Once you open the box, you see the cable itself. Whether you're using it for your devices or ready to pack it away, the cable does the work for you. It's perfect for stowing in your bag, attaching to a metal board on the wall, or even your PC tower, saving valuable desk space. MagTame Cable offers a variety of charging cables, catering to both Lightning and USB-C users. Take, for instance, their USB-C to USB-C cable, boasting 240 watts, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. I use it seamlessly with my MacBook Pro, iPad mini, iPhone 14 Pro, Sony Alpha camera, and even my power bank. These cables support fast charging and data transfer, making them versatile for various devices. What sets MagTame Cable apart is the robust build of their cables. They feel rugged and durable, ensuring longevity. The magnetic strength remains consistent over time, providing reliable use. I've extensively used these cables, and they've proven to be sturdy and reliable. Here's a practical example. I plugged the USB-C to USB-C cable into my Sony a7 IV and MacBook Pro for file transfer, and it seamlessly worked, and the transfer speed was so quick too. Even for charging your devices, it supports up to 240 watts, which is really crazy, and I appreciate the MagTame team for developing such cable. It is worth every penny, and its rugged design makes the cable last forever. Say goodbye to low-power messages and tangled cables. With MagTame Cable, you can enjoy organized, hassle-free cables that neatly roll up and can be conveniently stored on your computer or wall mount until you're ready to use them again. It's time to bid farewell to cable clutter and welcome a more organized and efficient charging experience. That's it for today, guys. Hope this video is informative and a new gadget that we use in our daily life. If you want more content like this, do give a thumbs up and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Bytes. Your thoughts are always welcome. You can drop them in the comment section below. I will catch you in the next video.